G'day and welcome to Heads or Tails Down Under Coins. In this video we're going to be looking at the 2026 6-coin uncirculated year set of Aussie bubs and the 2026 fine silver proof coin, which is a 1 ounce silver proof coin, Aussie bubs as well. So I'll give you a look at the 6-coin set. And that's the back of it there. Celebrating a new baby in 2026. This is the best way you can do it. You can buy one of these sets if you want. And you can have it as a bit of a keepsake for this year. It's got all the little coins have been changed over from the original designs to having some like baby versions of them. So you got like a baby version of the echidna, the bird there, a lyrebird, Tassie devil, and it's supposed to be a bit of a platypus, but that doesn't look like a platypus. It's a bit different, but yeah. And you got a koala bear on that one. And you've got, looks like a bit of a numbat. And it's holding a $1 coin. That's pretty sick. I've not seen these coins. So these are new to me. I'm just having a look at them as well. That's cool. All different. Oh, it's got a turtle. That's a turtle. There's a turtle. Okay. That's not a platypus. That's cool. Okay. And yep, the koala bear and the 50 cent. And like a bit of a numbat. And that one is, it's supposed to be like, I think it's an owl. Yeah, let's go with an owl. Why not on the 5-cent coin? And clearly that is definitely not a lyrebird on the 10-cent at the moment. That is a seahorse. And you got the $2 coin, you got the Tassie devil on it. That's pretty sick. That's beautiful. And then you got all of them on the token. So you got all the different animals there, all on the one token, because that's a token, because it is blank. On the other side, so you can get that engraved. You pull it out of there and get it engraved for the year set if someone has given birth to a bub. You put their name, obviously their weight, potentially date of birth, that type of stuff, and you give this set over as a gift for the year. There you go, for newborn. So that's the specifications of these coins. The 5-cent, 10-cent, 20-cent, 50-cent, $1, $2, and the token. So nothing too special about them other than the different designs. It's pretty cool. And you got like inside the card here, you can put their name, birth, weight, height, time, place, that type of stuff. Maybe a bit of a photo if you can get one, and the parent, grandparents, that type of stuff, and the baby's name. And then you put it back in there and you give it to the family as a gift for the new bub if they arrive in 2026. The ram, so it's done by Royal Australian Mint. You can get these pretty much most years have done them up to this year. So you can always go and have a check to make sure. You can go to probably a coin dealer and get different years. And I've probably got 3 or 4 years of those now. And let's have a look at the silver proof. There we go. Nice looking non-bamboo packaging. Nice like glittery glow to it. There's the specifications of the coin. A 1 ounce And it's a proof coin. Only 15,000 of these produced. There we go. It's a $5 coin on there. Denomination. Let's have a look. So you got the similar type thing for the baby stuff there. Put a picture in place, and then you got the silver $5 1 ounce coin right there for a person who is born on the year 2026. So there we go. You can give that as a gift if you want. These are still readily available. They're not being sold out. I got these a couple of days afterwards at the coin shop, the coin dealer. Definitely had a lot of them still, so you can definitely rock up, grab one of those. And that's got the Tassie Devil on that $5 coin, like it did have on the other set. It had it on the other $2 coin. Let's have a look at the beautiful looking 1 ounce coin there. And you got King Charles III, Australia 2026. Old King Charles, old Chuckles. And there we go. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've hit 500 subscribers. That's great. Thank you for everyone for subscribing. And don't forget the notification bell for upcoming videos. And don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the hype button if you see it, so we can get this video out to as many people as we can. So thanks for watching, and see ya.